How to remove a Google account from your Android phone. This tutorial shows you how to sign out and delete it from your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap Accounts and Backup. After that, tap Manage Accounts. At this point, you'll see a list of all the accounts currently signed in on your device. Tap on the Google account you want to remove. From here, tap Remove Account at the bottom of the screen. Following this, a pop-up will appear warning you that removing the account will delete all its associated data from the device, including synced emails, contacts, and calendar events. After that, tap Remove Account again to confirm, and the account will be deleted from your device straight away. Finally, keep in mind that this only removes the account from your phone and doesn't delete your Google account itself. You can always sign back in at any time by going back to Manage Accounts and tapping Add Account. That's how you remove a Google account from your Android phone. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then!